Hello, this is a new multiplayer third-person shooter that I'm working on. For this game I'm going to need a pistol, so I might use the pistol from the military weapons silver pack. I'll show you what it looks like. For this game I'm going to need a character with a gun, but I was normally using the animation starter pack, which would work, but I wanted to see if I could find something that was simpler, and I was looking at the Mixamo animation pack, and this is what the character looks like. These are all the animations, and there's one shooting animation. This is a demo of what I have working so far. The player can shoot, but the shooting's not synced with the animation yet. The character can run and jump.